Hi, today I'm with XIAOMI 11T and I'll show you how to enable ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the sounds and vibration section. Right there you will see that your ringtone volume is turned off. Just to turn it on, swipe with your finger here on the to the right side. So as can you hear right now, the ringtone volume is set up. So that's it. And also we got the second way. I'll show you that. Just here tap on press with your finger on the right side of your phone the volume button, one from volume buttons, and here you will see the three dots icon. Tap here and just swipe up with your finger. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.